Wanting to create a simple order form in WordPress so you can sell a few items without turning your website into a full-on e-commerce store? Well, in today's video, we're going to show you step-by-step how you can easily build one that you can install anywhere on your site. Be sure to check out the links that we've left in the description, hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and be part of the conversation. For today's tutorial, we're going to be using WPForms. It's by far the easiest drag-and-drop form builder for WordPress. It's got tons of pre-built templates, and it allows you to quickly design beautiful forms in minutes. To create today's simple order form, you'll need a WPForms Pro account or higher. If you don't already have WPForms, we'll leave a link in the description for how you can sign up risk-free today. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is to install and activate WPForms. Now, for that, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard menu, and then hover your mouse over Plugins, and then click Add New. Now, in the search bar, type WPForms to find the plugin. Once it appears, click Install Now. Once the plugin has installed, click Activate. Next, you'll need to insert your license key. You can easily find your license key by logging into your WPForms account at WPForms.com and then clicking on the Downloads tab. Now, once you're there, just copy it and then paste it into the license key field in your WPForms plugin settings. After that, click on the Verify Key button and your license will be added. Then you'll see a note about your license level and a notice that your license is verified and your site is going to be receiving automatic updates from WPForms. Now you're ready to build your WordPress order form. Now let's go back to your WordPress menu and select WPForms and then click Add New. Now you'll see a list of pre-made form templates. At the top, you'll want to enter a name for your order form just so you can keep everything organized. Perfect. Then select your template. Now, we recommend that you use the billing order form template. It's one of the first options that's going to appear. Now, using this template is going to save you loads of time. So hover over the template box and click Create a Billing Order Form. Now you'll see your pre-made template. Each form is made up of different blocks called fields. Now, these fields are things like name, email, phone number, and so on. While you can add other fields to the form from the menu on the left side, this template has all the fields that you'll need for a standard order. Of course, you can also remove any by just clicking on the field box and then using the trash can icon in the upper right-hand corner. You can also rearrange these fields by dragging and dropping them where you'd like them to appear. The one thing you'll definitely want to modify is your items list. Now, this is easy to change. Just click on your items list and you'll see the editing tools appear on the left-hand side. You can change the item name, price, use an image, add descriptions, and more. As you can see with WPForms, you can customize your WordPress order form and make it look exactly how you want it to. Now, to provide the best user experience, let's also mention the price for each product. If you want to add more items, just click the plus icon. As it stands, your customers will only be able to select one item from the list using these default template settings. So if you want to provide your user with an option for choosing more than one item in your order form, here's how to do it. Just scroll down to the Payment Fields menu on the left-hand side and find Checkbox Items. Then drag and drop this field into your order form. Once you've done that, you can edit your item options just like we've shown you. Simple. Now, your customers can select multiple items in the same form. You can even add conditional logic to show or hide new fields depending on how your customers fill out their form. This is a great way for recommending related products right on your order form. Okay, so now that you have your order form ready, you'll want to create notifications for your customers. Sending confirmation messages and related notifications is important. It keeps you and your customer informed. It also boosts your user experience, so you'll have a better chance at getting repeat customers. Plus, it keeps you informed about new orders that are coming in. So here's how to set up notifications. On your WordPress dashboard, you'll want to go to WPForms menu and then click Settings and then Notifications. Now, the default notification template will appear. Now, it includes the admin's email address, email subject, your company name, your email, and the message. Right now, a notification will only be sent to you when a customer fills out their order form. So to add the user's email, just click on the Show Smart Tags icon next to the Send to Email address. Then you'll need to click on Email to add your user's email address to the field box. Now, if you'd prefer not to receive these email notifications, you can just delete the admin email from the field box. You can change any of the other default settings to make your notification more personal. For example, We recommend that you change the default subject line to something related to your business, and you may also want to add a personal note thanking the customer for their order. If you want to add a new notification, you can also click the Add Notification button. Now, this will let you start with a blank notification template. Once you've successfully set this up, notification emails will be sent to both you and your customer. Now, the next step is to display a confirmation message or a thank you message on your site immediately after your user completes a transaction. So you'll want to make this a little unique to your company's brand and voice. Now, to change a confirmation message, just go to Confirmations and then choose your confirmation type. So you can select either Message, Show Page, or Go to URL, which is a redirect. The message confirmation is a good option for most users and simply shows a small thank you note to your customers when they hit Submit. But you'll want to personalize this note for your customers. Now, once you've done that, you'll need to set up the payment options on your form. WPForms allows easy integration with popular payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and Authorize.net. Now, for this tutorial, we're just going to use PayPal. So to get started, go to your WordPress dashboard and select WPForms. Then click on Add-ons. Now scroll down to the PayPal add-on and click Install Add-on. Then activate the plugin to get started. Next, you'll need to go back to the order form that you built in this tutorial. It's easy to find. Just select WPForms, then click on All Forms, and then you'll see the order form that you just built. All right, now you'll need to click on your order form. Then go to the Payments category in your WPForms menu and select PayPal. Next, click Enable PayPal Standard Payments and enter your PayPal email address. For shipping options, you have 3 choices. Don't ask for an address, ask for an address, but do not require, ask for an address, and require it. Now, if you're asking for an address in your standard order form, then you can select Don't ask for an address in PayPal. Otherwise, choose the option that best suits your needs. When you're finished, click Save. Now, when your customers hit Submit on their order form, they'll automatically be redirected to PayPal to complete their purchase. And that's it. Now you've created a simple WordPress order form that you can install anywhere on your website. Now there's just one last step, and that's embedding your WP form on a WordPress page. Now to embed your WordPress form is simple with WPForms. Just edit the page or post where you want to add the form. Now if you want to create a new poster page and insert the order form there, you can simply select Pages and then click Add New on your WordPress sidebar. Now, once the page loads, you can just type in WPForms in the search bar. Then you'll see the WPForms widget appear. Next, select the order form that you created from the drop-down menu. Now you can save and publish the new page with your order form on it. Now be sure to test your order form a few times before doing any promotions. The last step of this entire equation is getting customers to come to your form page to place their orders. Now, one of the best ways to let your customers know about your order form is with a targeted email campaign. But before you can send an email campaign, you need to grow your email list. Now, that's where Opt-in Monster comes in. Opt-in Monster is the best solution for growing your email list and getting better quality leads on your site. You can build stunning opt-in campaigns with pop-ups, floating bars, and more to get your customers' attention. Then you can add different rules to make sure that your campaign displays at just the right time along the customer's journey. And that way, you'll get as many conversions as possible from your site. Now, when your email list is grown, you can send targeted email campaigns with new product announcements. Then you can simply redirect interested users to your new order form. So why not use Opt-in Monster and instantly grow your email list, get more leads, and increase your sales? Now, to get a special discount, check out the link in the description. And to learn more Opt-in Monster tips, tricks, and techniques, just click on the video that's on your screen now.